welcome back my fellow gear geeks to Dungeon Knife and Tool. Quick one here today. This is something I saw on Amazon. I usually skipped over this. I've seen it in the past. It's ARKEY BURDS. Alright. Nice logo, I guess. It ranges between 18 and 19 bucks all the time, and you know, it's pretty much just like everything else. G10, D2, and for some reason I saw these little weird thumb studs here, and I thought it was cool, and it is a flipper, and it is fantastic. It's so much bigger than I thought it was, to be honest with you. I should have read it a little better. I love big knives. Here is our reference knife. It's almost a joke. Almost a joke. The Ozark Sonder is 7.5 as always. It never changes size. And the ARKEY Bird is about 9.5 inches and about 4 1/4 on the blade, which I just didn't expect. I figured for an $18, $19 knife, this thing was going to be tiny. Probably smaller than the old Ozark right here. So can we use those? Well, that was pretty lame. Yeah, you can use them. Great feel. Alright. Skeletonized steel liners. Alright, you got the cool matching back spacer. I don't know if you can see the skeletonized liners in there. Yeah, you can. Look at that. You know, your standard liner lock. It is stamped D2 right there. Shiny. It really shows you fingerprints on this one. So, you know, I like the orange and the chrome. I like the combo. Decent pocket clip, I guess. I haven't put it in my pocket yet because I've been so infatuated with flipping this thing open and closed so many times that I haven't carried it anywhere yet. Again, I was intrigued by these oblong thumb studs. Let's try that again. Nope. Yeah, you can. It's such a big blade, though. It's hard to swing it out there. All right, but if you just use the flipper button like you're supposed to, and then this acts like you got the jimping up top, and you got a little bit of a ramp there, all right, and it acts as a big old platform. And you do have a finger trail there to really dig in. Man, the fingerprints just, it's like they just appear on this thing because it's so polished. Look at that. So yeah, I love the ramp there. And listen, I know people are still shopping. I'm not here to tell you what to buy, but for under 20 bucks, if you like somebody, if you know somebody who likes a big folder like that, because there's a normal size folder right there, then that might be the way to go. ARKEY Birds. Okay, my friends, if you like what I'm doing here, hit that subscribe button so you stay in the loop, and I'll see you next time.